Portable chargers have been around for a while now, and although they're no longer groundbreaking, they've definitely gotten a lot slicker and more efficient. What was once a clunky one-trick pony has turned into a sleek, multifunctional gadget that seamlessly fits into our lives. You might not think about it often, but when your phone's battery hits 5%, suddenly that portable charger becomes your best friend. There are tons of companies out there with power banks, each boasting that they're the best in terms of power and performance. This is the CUKTECH 10 Power Bank, your new go-to for fast charging on the go. This bad boy is no joke. We're talking 100 watts and 100,000 milliamp hours of pure power. It's got enough juice to charge pretty much anything, whether it's your gaming console or your laptop. It's got dual fast charging ports, USB-A and USB-C, so you've got options depending on what you're charging. For instance, if you need to charge your iPhone, it'll get from 0 to about 50% in just 15 minutes. That's pretty impressive. The small but handy display screen shows you real-time details about the power bank's charge level, port performance, and other useful info. It's a nice touch that makes it easy to keep track of everything. So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. Inside the box, you'll find the CUKTECH 10 power bank, a user manual, and a 6-amp cable, all packed neatly in a simple black package. Design-wise, the CUKTECH 10 is sleek and futuristic. At 143 long and 45mm wide, it's compact enough to toss in your bag without a second thought. It's a bit bigger than a Snickers bar, but still impressively portable for the power it offers. It's easy to carry around, and its modern design means you won't mind the extra size. The power bank has that classic CUKTECH look, an understated silver body with black accents, and a cool blue line along the I/O section that adds a bit of flair without going overboard. It's minimal yet stylish, and I have to say I'm a fan of the refined look. The textured black section is a nice touch, giving it a solid feel and making it easy to grip without worrying about slipping. It's a thoughtful design that's as practical as it is good looking. Now, about the front color screen, it's a feature I haven't seen on other power banks. While it's not bursting with color or ultra high definition, it does the job. The screen shows you everything you need: voltage, current, battery level, power output, and remaining charge time. It's a super handy feature that you might not realize you need until you've used it. The controls are simple and intuitive. Press the button below the screen to cycle through different display options, or keep it on constantly if that's your preference. It's a straightforward way to get the information you need without fuss. Not everyone will need this level of detail, but given the price, it's not a feature that significantly drives up the cost. It's more of a nice to have that you'll appreciate once you experience it. It supports PD 3.1, PPS, and other fast charging standards, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. Whether you're charging a laptop, phone, or anything else, it adapts to your needs with ease. It can charge a Nintendo Switch 1.3 times, which is perfect for those extended gaming sessions. It supports 45 watts fast charging for the Steam Deck, 65 watts for the Asus ROG, and a full 100 watts for the Legion Go. For gamers, this power bank is a game changer. It packs so much power into a compact device, it feels like CUKTECH thought of everything. I tested it with my iPhone 15 Pro Max, charging it from 20% to 93% in just over an hour. It initially delivered about 17.6 watts of power, dropping to 3.3 watts as the battery neared 90%. During this, the power bank's own battery dropped from 100% to 68%. Overall, it did a solid job managing the charge. When using both ports simultaneously, CUKTECH claims you get up to 133 watts of total power, with around 100 watts going to USB-C. I found that when charging my iPhone and another device at the same time, it delivered between 9 watts and 12 watts to the iPhone and around 1.5 watts to the other device. Charging the 10 is easy. Just plug it into a power source using the USB-C port. It's impressively quick to recharge itself, capable of reaching 55% in just 15 minutes, and fully charging in 45 minutes. That's enough to fully charge an iPhone 15 in no time. The 10 shines with its fast charging capabilities. For Xiaomi devices, it delivers up to 120 watts of Mi turbocharge. It's also great with larger devices. It can fully charge the 2023 MacBook Air at an average of 95 watts, and the M2 12.9-inch iPad Pro charging up to 15% in just 10 minutes, with an average output of around 36 watts. It's clear that the 10 is a versatile powerhouse, handling everything from phones to tablets and laptops with ease. So who's the CUKTECH 10 power bank really for? If you're a Xiaomi fan, this one's practically made for you. Whether you're rocking a Xiaomi, Redmi or Puku device, it's got you covered with its Mi turbocharge feature that delivers top-notch power. With a 10,000 mAh capacity, it's definitely a solid choice for anyone deeply invested in the Xiaomi ecosystem. Even if you're not all about that Mi Turbo life, don't worry, this power bank still holds its own. It's got a surprisingly hefty power reserve, meaning you can charge up a bunch of devices before needing to plug it back in yourself. It's definitely a reliable piece of tech, packing a lot of performance and style into one sleek package. Honestly, I'm really enjoying using this power bank. It's a step up from the usual chargers I've had, both in terms of performance and design. It's well made, looks great, and handles everything I throw at it with ease. If you're looking for a high-performance charger that's both functional and stylish, the CUKTECH 10 is definitely worth checking out. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.